Okay, let's settle this once and for all. If your hormones are out of balance, whether it's PMS, whether it's acne, mood swings, or irregular period, the first place you need to look is your gut, okay? I've said it before, I'll say it a million times. These two are connected. They're so connected, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. Most people don't realize this, but your gut microbiome actually controls your hormones, from estrogen and cortisol to insulin and thyroid function. So today, I'm going to break down for all of you exactly how your gut and hormones are connected and how to balance them, of course, like usual, the natural way. Think of your gut as the CEO of your hormones. It's in charge of regulating estrogen. Your gut can actually help remove excess estrogen from your body. If your digestion is slow, estrogen then builds up. It can lead to PMS, heavy periods, and hormonal acne. Next, we have cortisol, which is your stress hormone. Your gut produces GABA. GABA is a neurotransmitter that actually calms stress. If your gut is inflamed, that means your cortisol is going to stay high, and that can make stress and anxiety way worse for you. Next, we have insulin, which is the blood sugar hormone. A healthy gut actually can regulate insulin, which prevents sugar cravings, PCOS symptoms, and weight gain. And finally, we have the thyroid hormones. Your gut bacteria actually helps convert inactive thyroid hormone T4 into its active form T3. So a messed up gut can lead to low energy, brain fog, and a slow metabolism. Again, you may not be sure if your gut is even the reason that your hormones are being affected. So here's some signs on whether your gut has to do with your hormonal imbalance. First, you have PMS or irregular period, which is a sign of estrogen dominance due to poor gut detox, like I mentioned before. You have hormonal acne, usually on the chin and jawline, and that is linked to gut inflammation. Uncontrollable food cravings and sugar crashes. This could mean that your gut bacteria is actually disrupting your insulin levels. Then you have low energy and slow metabolism. Your gut actually affects how well your thyroid hormone works. And finally, you have chronic bloating and constipation. If your gut can't eliminate waste properly, hormones then get backed up. Let's fix it. If you want to balance your hormone, you're gonna have to deal with your gut and heal your gut. You can do that by loading up on fiber and prebiotics, which is great food for your probiotics, which are the good bacteria in your gut. And they help flush out excess estrogen and support digestion. Add your probiotics and fermented foods. A healthy microbiome lowers your cortisol and improves insulin resistance. You need to fix your blood sugar. So pair your carbs with healthy fats and lots of protein. You need to reduce your gut inflammation by cutting out seed oils, alcohol, sugar, all that good stuff. And finally, you need to optimize for your liver detox. Your liver actually removes excess hormones, so make sure you prioritize your liver and that you detox it properly. That's all I have for you today, but if you would like for me to go into more detail on this topic, I would love to make a separate video. Maybe I can talk about how to detox your liver properly and many other topics. If you enjoyed this, please go ahead, like and comment, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys!